Avail provides a convenient single location to manage your rental property listings and tenant leads from a dozen top marketing sites. Using our step-by-step listing creation process, you can easily build a thorough and accurate listing that can effectively capture the interest of quality leads. With Avail, you're able to manage all of your leads that come in from each of the partner sites, schedule showings, message leads, and request screening reports to find the right tenants for you. Building a listing with Avail makes it easy to highlight each unique feature of your rental to optimize your listing for prospective renters. Upload property photos and arrange them in your preferred order. Add from a list of common amenities with an option to add your own custom amenities, and select any utilities included in your rental. Use our suggested title and description or customize it to write your own unique listing description. You can even include showing availability while setting up your listing to make scheduling unit showings a breeze. Elect whether to automate application requests from leads, including custom questions and screening reports to make an informed decision when selecting tenants. Once you're all set with your listing you've created, just hit publish and it will automatically be posted to a dozen top marketing sites. Prospective renters can use the contact forms on any of the partner sites, such as Realtor.com, to inquire about the listing. From Avail, you can respond to these inquiries by sending canned responses or custom messages, schedule showings, and receive applications and screening reports from leads. Once a listing is built, you can come back and republish it at any time for simple relisting in the future. List your unit today and feel confident in finding the right tenants for you through Avail.